Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about Laplace transformation. So we know that the Laplace of y to the power of fourth derivative of y, that should be about h to the power of number 4, because we have 4 derivative in here. Capital F of h minus h to the power of 3, and we have y of number 0 in here. S square, first derivative of y at t equals to number 0. The next one, h, second derivative of y at t equal to number 0. And the last one, third derivative of y at t equals to number 0. And the next one, Laplace of second derivative of y. We have like this. And the next one, about t, we have the formula. We have n factorial over h to the power of n plus 1. So t in this situation, that is about number 1. So we put n equal to number 1 gone here. And now we have like this after we put inside this equation. Now we put this condition gone here, here, and now we have like this. Now capital F of h we can do about factorization. And we have like this. Negative number 1 I will put on the right, and we have positive number 1. This one we can transform into h square plus 1 everything to the power of 2 equals to number 1 plus 1 over h square. Next, we divide both sides by h squared plus 1 everything to the power of 2. Next, we can do common denominator. So we move h squared on numerator and denominator in here. So if we simplify, we have like this. Now we simplify. Next, we need to add about h squared. Later that we need to minus about h squared. So in this situation, this one divided by this one, we have number 1. So we have 1 over h squared. This one divided by this one, we have number 1. In this situation, we can use about inverse Laplace transformation. Now we have the formula in here. So here is the formula we need to find in here. So if we look carefully about this one, we have 1 over h squared. That means n equals to number 1. So we have t in here. This one we have a square over h squared plus a square. In this situation, 8 equals to number 1 because 1 square equals to number 1. So that means this one we have side t, and now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.